Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Canon EOS R8 is probably one of the most versatile and powerful mirrorless cameras Canon has ever released, boasting incredible image quality, advanced autofocus, and a sleek, ergonomic design. This in-depth review will explore its key features, performance in various shooting scenarios, and help you decide if it's the right camera for your photography needs, whether you're a seasoned professional or an enthusiastic amateur. Number 5. Canon EOS M50 Mark II Kit. Get ready to capture stunning photos and videos with the Canon EOS M50 Mark II. It's packed with features that make creating amazing content easier than ever before. It boasts a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, ensuring your images are sharp and detailed. You'll be able to capture every moment with incredible clarity. The Digic 8 image processor optimizes lighting and ensures fast, efficient performance. It handles even the most challenging shooting conditions with ease. Experience improved dual-pixel CMOS AF and eye detection AF for crisp, focused shots. It keeps your subjects sharp, whether they're still or in motion. It records in 4K UHD at 24p and HD at 120p for incredible slow-motion effects. Capture your memories in breathtaking detail and clarity. The vari-angle touchscreen makes it perfect for vlogging and creative angles. It gives you the freedom to shoot from any perspective you desire. This kit includes a versatile zoom lens, perfect for a wide range of shooting situations. It's the ideal companion for your new camera. What we like. It boasts 4K video recording and a vari-angle touchscreen, perfect for vloggers. The APS-C sensor delivers excellent image quality. If you're a vlogger or need a versatile camera with great video capabilities, this is the one for you. What people say. The Canon EOS M50 Mark II delivers stunning image and video quality, consistently capturing sharp, vibrant, and lifelike moments. The compact size of this camera is another standout feature. It's incredibly portable, making it ideal for on-the-go shooting. One of the most impressive features for content creators is the flip-out touchscreen. Being able to see myself while recording is a game-changer. It not only ensures that I'm perfectly framed in every shot but also makes vlogging and self-recording a breeze. Number 4. Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. It's the perfect blend of power and portability. Experience stunning image quality and versatile shooting options, all in one compact camera. Its large 1-inch, 20.1 megapixel CMOS sensor captures incredible detail and vibrant colors, whether you're shooting photos or videos. With its bright f1.8 to 2.8 lens and 4.2x optical zoom, it's ready for any situation, from wide landscapes to close-up portraits. The tilting 3.0-inch LCD monitor makes it easy to capture stunning selfies and creative shots from any angle. Tilt it up 180 degrees or down 45 degrees. Shoot continuously at up to 8 frames per second and share your photos instantly with built-in Wi-Fi. It's that easy. It operates in a wide range of temperatures, 0 to 40 degrees Celsius, and has an adjustable hood that can be packed away when not in use. What we like. This camera features a large 1-inch sensor for stunning image quality, even in low light. Its bright lens and fast shooting speed ensure you never miss a moment. If you prioritize image quality and speed, and want something pocketable, this is a great choice. What people say. It takes great quality pictures. It has a zoom lens at a great range, 24mm to 105mm. It has all of the automatic features you could ask for: focus, aperture, film speed, shutter speed. Or, you can select manual shutter speed or aperture and the camera will set everything else. Or, you can select all manual, if you want to set everything yourself. It has a high pixel count, 24 megapixel, and it can even be set to shoot in RAW so you can do lots of darkroom magic, if you want. The photos are beautiful, bright, crisp and sharp, 5 stars for photo quality. Excellent camera, muito compacta, leve com recursos profissionais, com excelente nitidez, foco rápido e preciso. Possui display móvel, touch screen, que permite comprar fotos em diferentes posicos. Number 3. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR. It's the perfect camera for capturing stunning photos and videos. Its intuitive design makes it easy for anyone to use, regardless of their skill level. It boasts a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor, ensuring your photos are sharp and detailed. Experience exceptional image quality with every shot. It features an improved dual-pixel CMOS AF and eye detection AF for quick and accurate focusing. Say goodbye to blurry photos. This kit comes with two versatile lenses, an 18 to 55 mm lens for everyday shots and a 75 to 300 mm lens for capturing distant subjects. Get creative with your photography. It has built-in Wi-Fi and NFC, allowing you to easily share your photos and videos wirelessly. Connect and share effortlessly. It records stunning Full HD 1080p videos. Capture your memories in high definition. Use it as a high-quality webcam for video calls and conferencing. It's compatible with both Mac and Windows. What we like. It offers improved autofocus and comes with two lenses, making it ideal for various shooting situations. It's also very user-friendly for beginners. If you're starting out in photography and want a versatile kit, this is a solid option. What people say. Fast and lightweight. Comes with all the essentials like a strap and carrying case, lens, battery, and charger but no SD card. Picture quality is great on auto and on manual. Manual mode works like any professional camera. The Canon EOS R8 is an excellent entry-level DSLR camera that offers great value, especially with the included EF 18 to 55 mm and EF 75 to 300 mm lenses. Image quality. The 24.1 MP APS-C sensor captures sharp and vibrant images with great detail, even in low-light situations. Dual lens kit. The 18 to 55 mm lens is great for everyday shots, while the 75 to 300 mm lens offers solid zoom capabilities for wildlife, sports, and portrait photography. Built-in Wi-Fi and NFC easily transfer images to your phone or tablet for quick sharing. Number 2. Canon EOS R8 Camera Kit. It's the perfect blend of portability and power. This full-frame mirrorless camera is designed for travel and vlogging. It's incredibly compact and lightweight, making it ideal for taking on any adventure. You'll barely notice it's there. The included RF 24 to 105 mm lens offers a versatile zoom range, perfect for capturing everything from wide landscapes to detailed close-ups. It boasts impressive optical image stabilization, correcting up to 5 stops of shake. Say goodbye to blurry photos and videos. Get incredibly close to your subject with its impressive macro capabilities. Capture stunning detail like never before. Easily transform it into a high-quality webcam using the EOS utility software or a clean HDMI output. Perfect for streaming and video conferencing. Capture breathtaking 4K UHD video. Your videos will look incredibly sharp and detailed. What we like. This camera packs a full-frame sensor into a compact body, ideal for travel and vlogging. It also includes a high-quality lens. If you want full-frame quality in a portable package, this is perfect for you. What people say. The video on this is amazing. Huge step up from the T3i. The face-detecting autofocus works great and nearly all of my shots are perfectly in focus unless it's super dark, which it has a little more of a struggle with, but obviously any camera would. The photo capability has shocked me even more than the video. The autofocus on this is so much better. The full-frame sensor on this camera makes a huge difference too. The low light performance is so much better and the size of these photos is insane. The camera fits my hand like a glove and it's super compact but very comfortable to hold, even for extended periods. All the buttons are in easy reach and the camera is highly customizable. The EV and LCD screens are more than adequate and I have no issue when manually focusing, very precise. Autofocus and eye tracking are awesome too, makes shooting portraits a breeze. Number 1. Canon EOS 2000D Rebel T7 Kit. Get ready to explore the world of photography with this incredible kit. It includes everything you need to start capturing stunning images and videos. This camera boasts a powerful sensor, ensuring your photos are rich in detail and clarity. It's perfect for capturing vibrant colors and sharp images. Record full HD 1080p videos at a smooth 30 frames per second. It's easy to create professional-looking videos with it. It features a user-friendly interface with various shooting modes, making it perfect for beginners and experienced photographers alike. The intuitive design makes capturing great shots effortless. This kit comes with a wide-angle and telephoto lens, a 64GB memory card, a case, filter kit, flash, tripod, and more. You'll have everything you need to start shooting right away. With built-in Wi-Fi and NFC, you can easily share your photos and videos wirelessly. Connect to your smartphone and share your memories instantly. From landscapes to portraits, it's versatile enough to handle any photographic challenge. Start creating lasting memories today. What we like. This is a fantastic value, offering a complete kit with everything you need to get started. It delivers surprisingly good image quality for the price. If you're on a budget but still want a good DSLR experience, this is a great deal. What people say. The camera itself is very user-friendly and very simple to use and understand the functionality of every single buttons. The screen is bright and big enough to quick peek the picture shot by you. Battery runs longer on this camera compared to D3400 and D5600, which is a major factor for any beginner to spend more time to enhance one's skill without worrying about quick draining battery. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.